Alright guys, we are all welcome back. So let's continue from where we stopped. Now we'll quickly learn about radio button. Okay, so let's quickly learn about radio button. We'll introduce the label tag for our radio button. Let's now create the gender. Gender, okay, so the label is for gender. Alright, so we'll create the input tag. No, I'll now create the label for let me show us this. Can you see the gender? Let me create a break here. And create a break. Okay, so this is the space for gender. All right, so let's create the label for the male gender. Oh sorry, it's a tag. Label for male. Okay, so for male it will be our 4 is male. Okay, so our 4 is male. Then input for the male, the type will now be radio button. Radio. Okay, we have specified the type. The ID, don't forget, is for the male. Okay, after the ID, then the name. The name is for now the gender. Okay, don't forget. You will be thinking that after all these things that we are showing, if you don't put it, it's still going to show. Yes, but by the time we start doing our CSS and JavaScript, you begin to understand the reason why we should include all this, so that it will be easy for us to style our web page. Okay, if we don't start it now, we still have to come back again, and we're going through a lot of stress. So the name is for gender. Now let's create for the female. This is for the male. Can you see the radio button? Okay, let's do for the female. Label female. Alright, our 4 is for female, F male. Alright, so let's create the input. It's a tag. Input. So the input type is radio button. Okay, so the ID, don't forget, this one is for the female, F male. It should be the same with your 4. Okay, then the name is for gender. Okay, the name is for gender. All right, let's view it. All right, can you see the radio button now? Immediately you click on one, it will unselect the previous one and choose this one. You can see now that is the work of radio button. Then what makes this possible is the name that we have specified here. From this name, this that we have specified, That is what makes it to be possible. You can see I've tampered with the gender in the female part. That's why the 2 is selecting. So if you make any single error, it's going to affect your coding. Alright, so let me spell this one correctly back, and you see that it's working perfectly. Immediately you select one, you go to another one, it's going to unselect the previous one. So that's that on radio button for gender. So bye for now, see you in the next lesson.